Imagine a world where communication is not bound by distance, where a simple message can traverse continents in a blink of an eye, where a face-to-face conversation is just a tap away. Welcome to the world of WhatsApp, a realm where possibilities are only constrained by your imagination. WhatsApp, a mobile application, opens a gateway to seamless communication, allowing you to send text messages, make audio and video calls, and even send multimedia files over the internet. This application operates by utilizing your mobile device's subscription accounts and requires an internet connection to function. Let's delve into the basic functionalities of WhatsApp. To send and receive text messages is a breeze. Tap the chat icon, select a contact, and a chat window opens up. Type in your message and hit send. It's as simple as that. But WhatsApp is not just about text messages. The application also allows for audio and video calls. To make a call, tap on the call icon, select a contact, and choose between an audio or video call. Instantly connect with your loved ones, no matter how many miles separate you. The magic of WhatsApp extends beyond simple text and calls. The application allows you to share multimedia files, whether it's a beautiful picture from your latest trip, a video of your pet's latest antics, or an audio file of your favorite song. WhatsApp makes sharing these moments a breeze. In summary, WhatsApp is a powerful tool that connects us with the world. It simplifies our communication, allowing us to send messages, make calls, and share multimedia files with ease. So whether you're reaching out to a loved one, sharing a moment, or conducting business, WhatsApp has you covered.